Boxing Voice.
We're going to do Christmas camp for the kids for this trip. It's been a lot of fun, and after New York, it's going to be a lot of hard work. And I wish them the best of luck. And we have a great night in Cal. We ended the train Daniel Santos to the site. Justin Fortune's back on board, so I'm happy to have Justin with us. And Peter, is that okay with that? Oh, okay. So, we have a good big camp, and Daniel Santos will replace Mandy. He loves the best at home. That's where we love to train. And we're all together with us, and good luck to everyone. Thank you.
The Boxing Voice.